Good morning, everyone. This is Minahil Shahid from Grey Matters Worldwide, and today I'll be answering some frequently asked questions that we get on our site, our Facebook page, and an Instagram page. So let's start. What is the process of getting admission in a Ukrainian university, and how much time does it take? So, firstly, you start by choosing your university and the program that you want to be enrolled in, and then you contact us and we issue you the invitation from that university, and then from then on we guide you step by step onto what to do. So moving on, what is the eligibility criteria? So well, a minimum of 50% is required, but there are some government universities that enroll you on the basis of your grades previously. uh, so for example, if you have, let's say, 85%, 95% in the previous academic year, you are going to get admitted into a good university, a good government university. So there's that. Next question, what does the invitation letter cost? So it depends on the university, but it can start from anywhere around $250 to $300, but some universities also issue it for $400 because of their ranking, worldwide ranking. So if the ranking is high, I mean, the invitation letter is going to cost you a little bit more. So next question, what are the benefits of medical education from Ukraine? Well, a degree that you get out of a medical university from Ukraine is worldwide recognized, it's globally recognized. Plus, it's recognized by the European Council, and the degree falls under the Bologna process, wherein if you were to work as a doctor in any country that lies under European Union, you would just have to give the language test of that country, and you would not need to give any other tests. And also something else is Ukraine is cost effective, and it has a European lifestyle. So there's that. Next on to the next question. Can you work in Ukraine part-time as a student? Well, our consultancy, it does help students to find student-friendly jobs that won't interfere with your studies or won't require as much effort or time. So yes, you can work as a part-time student, and you can consult us for that purpose as well. Next question, is transfer possible for medical students from one country to another? Of course, it's possible. I myself am a transfer student, and well, the only thing that you have to do is you have to get an academic transcript from your previous university, and you show it to the university over here, and they calculate the academic difference, and then they put you in a semester or in a program that is that's respective to that academic difference. So next question, what is the structure of studies in Ukraine? So well, I'm doing an MD degree, which is a master's degree in medicine. So it is a 6-year program, but it can range between 4 to 5 years for different programs and different degrees. So the next question, do applicants need to qualify any English tests like TOEFL, IELTS for applying in Ukrainian universities? Well, no, you do not need any TOEFL, any IELTS tests or nothing like that, but you just need a proficiency certificate which claims that your studies before this previously were in English. So basically your high school studies were in English, and you can easily get that. And next question, can students pay the tuition fee in installments? Yes, you can pay the tuition fee in installments. You pay it twice a year with every semester, and but if you're a fresher, which means you have just applied to a university here and you're in the first year, then yes, you may have to bring your the fee of the entire year with you. But then again, it depends on the university, so it's quite flexible that way. And our last question is, do you deal with medical studies? So Grey Matter Worldwide deals with all sorts of degrees. It can be life sciences, humanities, business, medical. IT, engineering, language, law, and architecture. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. I will address all your queries very soon. Thank you.